Hey everyone, this is Greg with Funtown RV. I'm standing outside the 42 View Grand Lodge made by Wildwood. This is going to be a destination trailer with a floor plan you've never seen before. An 8-foot waterfall island, a spiral staircase that leads into a 36-inch loft, and over 200 square feet of windows. Come check this out. So as you can see here, like I mentioned, over 200 square feet of windows. These are going to be giant windows. These are some of the biggest windows you can actually put in an RV. As we come down here, you'll notice no slide out on this side of the unit. So what that means is one of the few units that you can put a full 40-foot deck on this side of the unit. Your table, this is your view out here. Full of windows, giant 40-foot deck. When we come down here, you're wondering why this is so high. Well, you're going to put a deck on this thing. This is going to be a serving station. So you'll see inside a giant island that you can transfer your food to here, close the window back up, and then you'll get it all set up outside. Giant awning, which is going to cover everything, and then obviously our sliding glass door there. So let's go check out the inside. You're going to love what you see. All right, so as you come in the sliding doors here into the kitchen, the first thing you'll notice is an 8-foot waterfall edge island. This is going to come with 5 bar stools, so plenty of room to sit the entire family around this. If you come over here, we have the LG residential refrigerator, French door, an LG microwave, and a gas cooktop, 3-burner cooktop, and a large stove. Plenty of storage below and above, lots of counter space as you can see, and lots of cupboards, drawers, and a floor-to-ceiling pantry with a motion detector light. This is a good spot for your trash can. Overall, great kitchen and plenty of room here. Okay, now to the side of the kitchen, we're going to have our living area. This is going to be a 9-by-6-foot chase lounge couch with an ottoman for a footrest. Across from that, we're going to have our electric fireplace, surround sound speakers inside, outside, and then our TV is going to be on a power lift system. So our TV is going to come up from here, but if you do want to enjoy your view, you have a whole side wall of windows. This chase lounge is going to have, this is going to be stationary, but right here, this will pull out into a full-size bed, so you have this another sleeping area if needed. You have plug-ins on all walls, and then additional windows in the back. So like I said, you can see everything you got going on out here. Now let's go and take a look in the front at the bedroom. All right, so now we're in the master suite. This is going to be a custom-sized king mattress. We're going to have a fireplace over here right next to the bed. Nothing better than waking up with a nice warm fire going on next to you, or just going to sleep at night, having that warm heat blow on your cold feet. So once you wake up, you're going to have almost 360 degrees of windows. Once again, giant windows. So this is going to be a destination trailer. It's going to be parked. You're going to want your view on that side. So the first thing you see when you wake up is right out this window. It's just a great way to start your day. Below, some counter space here, drawers, and then a full wall of closets right above the fireplace. All right, now let's talk about these lofts. Before we get up into the loft, I just wanted to point out, just before you go into the bedroom here, there's going to be 4 of these storage containers. So you can label these, get them all filled up, plenty of storage in here, all the way down to the floor. Probably the only RV with a spiral staircase in it. Once we get up into the loft, this is going to be one of the tallest lofts, so you're not going to feel claustrophobic, cramped, kind of like some other units. It's going to be a 36-inch loft. So me being 6'4", plenty of room up here, super thick mattresses. Another thing you'll notice, most of the time the lofts are going to be completely wide open. This is going to have a divider in between to separate the 2 seating areas. In between both is the storage area. There's 6 bins and charging stations on both sides. So everyone has their own top and bottom, put all their storage, plug in their phones, their tablets, all that good stuff. Private lights in both, and the AC is vented up there, so it's not going to get too hot. Also 2 large windows on both sides, and the same is going to go for the other loft over there. Let's go check that out. All right, so here we are in the other loft. If you've ever been up in one of these before, you know that you can't sit up usually. So me being 6'4", I can sit up here. So it's like I said, 36 inches from top to bottom, plenty of room, thick, comfortable mattresses. You're not just sleeping on a little pad. And then this side's also going to have the divider in the middle. Looks like you have 2 110 plugs, 2 USB plugs on each side. Also, AC is vented on this side. Plenty of room, 2 windows again, and then you do have a little privacy curtain you can pull this way to block all this off. So those are our lofts, plenty of room. I love what they did here, but let's go check out the bathroom. Now we're in the bathroom. First thing I noticed, just overall size. This bathroom is going to be the full width of the unit. I think we're 102 inches wide. So plenty of floor space. You can easily fit 2 people in here, you know, 1 shower, 1 getting around, that sort of thing. I come into the shower here, plenty of room. I don't have to duck my head, I don't have to put my head in a skylight, anything like that. We do have an upgraded shower tower here, so this is going to have a bigger shower head, some body sprayers, and then there is an additional wand over here to get all those hard to reach places. Come out here, we have a floor to ceiling closet for, you know, towels, that sort of thing, but it's also washer dryer prep. So a good thing about having a washer dryer back here, well, most of the time it's in your bedroom. You don't want to have to be sleeping, you know, doing laundry, that sort of thing, waking you up. So having the washer dryer completely away from everything you got going on up there is definitely a big bonus. So yeah, plenty of storage in here too if you don't need the washer dryer. There's also some more cabinets here on the side for your towels, you know, all that good stuff. And then below here, a couple drawers for, you know, toothpaste, toothbrush, hair supplies. Got some counter space, which is typically pretty rare in a destination bathroom, and a couple plug-ins here. So overall, very spacious bathroom, plenty of room around the toilet, stay comfortable. Definitely love what I see. All right, everyone, now that we just looked at the 42 View Grand Lodge by Wildwood, just want to say I'm impressed with everything that I saw. Everything just makes sense for a destination trailer and what we're trying to accomplish. Once again, thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you like, comment, and for the best buying experience around and best pricing, visit www.funtownrv.com.